women power in the society. Women is also equal to the man. The writer has emphasis on a stress and given highlighted in this chapter about the women power. In this story, bravery and intelligence of the Jhalkari Bai is shown, which was the soldier of Rani Lakshmi Bai in rebellion on 1857. Which city did Rani Lakshmi Bai belongs to?
Please
Jhansi.
repeat the question.
And all of you write the answer in the chat box. Okay? Now, Suman, be ready. You will read the chapter today loudly, clear, one paragraph. Okay? And everyone will mark the hard words with the pencil and you will find out the meaning from your dictionary. Ready? Suman, read the chapter. Just a 1 minute. Okay, ready, Suman?
See, I'm starting. Say,
Yes.
Jhalkari was orphan. She was bold and fearless little girl who loved to climb trees and swim in the river and play the games that people call games.
1 minute, Palak. Suman. Read the one line. When the full stop, you have to stop for the min seconds. Okay?
Okay.
You have.
Jhalkari
Huh?
Jhalkari was an orphan.
What is the meaning of orphan? Without parents. A child without parents.
She was bold and fearless little girl who loved to climb trees and
Climb.
swim in
Climb.
river.
Say climb.
Climb
What is the meaning of climb? Chadna.
trees
Hmm.
and swim in the water and play the games that people call boys
And
game.
swim. It's not a climb. It's swim. Swim मतलब swimming. You know ना तैरना जिसे बोलते हैं अपन.
Yes, मैम वो मैंने आधा ही देखा था.
आधा मत देखो ना, आप तो वर्ड को ही चेंज कर दोगे. Okay. Read.
Swim in river and play the games that people call boys game.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
just 1 minute. So Jhalkari was an orphan girl, or you can say a without parents girl. She was in a small age. She had lost her parents. And what is the characteristic of Jhalkari Bai? The characteristics of Jhalkari Bai was a fearless and a bold little girl. She was a fearless, बिना डरे एकदम बहादुर जिसे बोलते हैं, without any afraid of, without any boldness she having. And what is the quality of her? That she have never fighted or she have never having afraidness of anything. And she loved to climb on the trees. उनसे क्या पसंद है? Trees पे चढ़ना. And swim in the river. Play the games of the people called the boys game. और किस तरीके games खेलना? So there's the two question. And today you all will write the question. You know the comprehension.
Yes, ma'am.
In the paragraph, I will give you 5 questions and you will find out the answer of it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Jhalkari was an orphan girl. What is the quality of a Jhalkari? She was a fearless and a bold girl. Suman, please pay attention on me. No need to discuss anything with anyone because you are spotlight on the camera. Okay? And what is the hobbies of the Jhalkari Bai? The hobbies of the Jhalkari Bai was she loved to swim, she loved to climb, and she loved to play a boys' game. Read.
The villager liked her for she was a willing worker and could stand long horse.
Or hours with the hours. Hours means time. Time about the time period. Read karo beta. Of strain. Strain. Strain means force. What is the meaning of strain? Force.
India strain.
And hardship.
Heart.
Okay. Now, the willingness means इच्छा शक्ति जिसे बोलते हैं, a power of internal feeling जो अपनी होती है, willing a power could stand a long hours and strain and hardship. What is having a quality? She having all extra qualities about to stand for long hours. She can stand for long time with a very hard work. Hardship means a suffering. A person can suffer a lot on. मतलब बहुत कुछ सहन कर सकती थी. She having a determination and power of handling the worst condition on her. Read करो.
They often told the story single-handed in the jungle and killed it with nothing more than the sturdy stick.
Read it. Read करो, paragraph complete करो.
After that, they nicknamed her Jhalkari, the tigress. When
Stop. Now, how she get a name tigress? She have get the name the tigress. She was fighting a single-handed, मतलब अकेले, without any help of another person. She was fighting with alone with the person, alone with the tiger. And after when the villagers have seen her, then that's the time they have nicknamed the tigress to the Jhalkari. कैसे मिला झलकारी को टाइग्रेस नेम? When इसने अकेले शेर से टाइगर से लड़ाई करी and अब जब villagers ने देखा कि she having a very much a power of like a जैसे कहते हैं ना शेरनी, she is a tigress. After that she have get the name tigress. Sturdy, S-T-U-R-D-Y. Sturdy means a well-built, strong lady. Very well-built, strong lady. Okay. Now, our next person will read. Thank you, Suman.
thank you, ma'am.
Palak, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it.
When she grew up, she was married to a soldier in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai and went away to live with him in Jhansi.
Read
That
karo.
was how the Rani chanced to see her one day.
1 minute now. When she grew up, matlab it's a time of she have grown up and she was married to the soldier. Whom did she marry? She married a soldier of in the army of the Rani Lakshmi Bai. किसकी army के soldier से उसने marriage शादी करी थी? Rani Lakshmi Bai. And Rani Lakshmi Bai belongs to the Jhansi. Okay, and that is the first impression. That time Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai had met with Jhalkari Bai. कैसे मिली थी Jhalkari Bai से Lakshmi Bai? At that time when she had get married to the soldier of the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai, and it was a chance to first time to see her. Read it.
She shall be my companion, the Rani
Minute.
ordered.
Underline the word companion. Companion means a helper or soldiers.
For
In the army.
For she liked the girl's frank and fearless looks. They become good friends, and every day the two young women went out for reading together.
Riding
They
together. Riding together.
together. They fenced and wrestled and practiced shooting with revolver.
And gun. Okay, 1 minute. Now, companion means in this page, underline the word offering, strain, hardship, study, companion, frank. What is the meaning of frank? Frank means open-minded or open and honest. Frankly, without any hesitation, a person can speak. You can say that frank and fearless without any hesitation. Open and honest. A word frank means fearless look. She having a look, and it was the first impression of Jhalkari Bai on Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai पे Jhalkari Bai का कैसा impression पड़ा था? Frank and fearless. What was the impression of Jhalkari Bai on Rani Lakshmi Bai? She was a frank and fearless. And after that they both have become a friends, and they start doing a practice of which things? Shooting and revolver with a gun. Okay. Now I'm sharing you a screen. Just take a screenshot of the 5 questions and you will do a comprehension work in rough copy. No need to do any of fair copy. You will find out the answers and write in your rough copy. Okay. From this page, there are the 5 questions. I hope screen is visible to everyone. Yes, Palak?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Just a 1 minute. मैं इसकी setting कर दूं. Now question is, first question. Read the passage and answer the following question from the first page number of 29. Page number of 29 and lines are Jhalkari, up to revolver and gun. Okay. Now 5 questions. First, who was Jhalkari? So Jhalkari was an orphan girl, bold and fearless. Look, you can say that. How did Jhalkari given a nickname Tigress? Because she was fighting a single hand with the tigress, and after seeing the villagers, they have given her name. Whom did Jhalkari marry? Jhalkari married a soldier of Rani Lakshmibai, army person. What are the qualities of Jhalkari? What was the first impression of Jhalkari on Rani Lakshmibai? Just take a screenshot. Ready? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone just show me a thumbs up. Okay. Now, our next person, Cherry, be ready. Just change the page. Cherry, what are you eating? Kya hai, kya ma? It is very bad behave like this in the classroom. Camera on karo apna first of all. You're disturbing the class. Ab is tarike ki, just stop behaving like this.
Then it is disabled.
Okay. Read the page number 30 now. Those were troubled. Now it was meeting. Just a minute. First paragraph, introduction about the Jhalkari Bai. Second introduction about the meeting of Jhalkari Bai and Rani Lakshmi Bai, and they have become friends now. Read it. Third paragraph.
Those were troubled times, and everywhere there were rumors of war.
Rumors of war. Now, you know that the Rani Lakshmi Bai, it is a time about the 1857 revolution. जो 1857 के time की जो क्रांति हुई थी, fight, उस battle के बारे में discussion है इस poem के अंदर, a small paragraph. And वहाँ पे क्या rumors मतलब क्या होता है? अफवाहें. किस चीज की rumors थी? कि rumors about the war. Nowadays the rumors about that the India and China war. Had you listened the news?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the only
Yes, ma'am.
rumors. You have to
Yes, ma'am.
read it.
The British had expanded their territory.
Territory means area and the land. What's the meaning of territory? means area and the land. Expanded, underline the word expanded. Expanded means enlarged. अब क्या हुआ था कि रूमर से अबाउट दैट द ब्रिटिश हैज अटैक्ड ऑन द झांसी. क्या अफवाहें फैल रही थी कि ब्रिटिश आर्मी ने क्या कर दिया है, झांसी पे अटैक कर दिया है. एंड एक्सपेंडेड मतलब इनलार्ज, मतलब उन्होंने अपनी जो अपनी आर्मी को एक्सपेंड मतलब इनलार्ज. एंटर्ड इन द झांसी, झांसी को है ना अटैक करने के लिए वो रेडी हो रहे हैं. टेरिटरी एंड एरिया लैंड टू अटैक ऑन द लैंड ऑफ द झांसी. रीड इट.
They had a trading company called the East India Company.
Underline this line, East India Company. Trading company मतलब ट्रेडिंग का मतलब, ट्रेड का मतलब क्या होता है, व्यापार. और ट्रेडिंग कंपनी मतलब व्यापारियों के जो कहते हैं ना बिजनेस करने के हिसाब से. तो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी.
Its officers ruled the people of the land harshly.
Harshly means cruel. What the word means harsh means cruel without any sympathy. You can say कहते हैं ना कि आपने देखा होगा ब्रिटिश इंडिया कंपनी. You have seen a lots of time, read it about that. The British India Company, the British Army has treated the Indian people very badly. तो क्या rumors थी कि it is rumors about the war and they have expanded, they have enlarged in the land of the Jhansi to attack. And और कैसे रूल करेंगे, they have ruled the people very harshly in a cruel way.
In 1857, fighting broke out all over the country.
Underline this line also, 1857. It is a journal knowledge question.
Everywhere the people rose in rebellion against the foreign rulers.
Now, what happened? 1857, a fighting broke all over the country. पूरे country के अंदर इंडिया में क्या बातें फैल गई थी? British India Company has attacked in Jhansi and the war it's going on between there. It was spreaded away all over in the country. Rose in rebellion. Rose in rebellion is a phrase. It means decided to fight. Decided to fight against the foreign rule. Now the Jhansi की जो वो थी army had decided to fight against whom? A British India Company. British India, about 1,000 people were killed on both sides. अब war चली, दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई हुई है, war हुई है, definitely it will be a loss of the human power. Read it.
The British fought back and thousands of people were killed on both sides.
Read.
In March 1858, the British troops attacked the fort at Jhansi.
1 minute. March 1858. Underline this line also. 1858. British troops. Troops क्या होती हैं? जो आर्मी की, सेना की जो टुकड़ी होती है ना, सेना की. Attack the fort at Jhansi. किस पे अटैक किया? झांसी पे in 1858.
Among them was Jalkari. Never once leaving her beloved queen's side, she rode from one point to another, firing at the British soldiers with a steady hand and a sure aim.
Now, the British Army has attacked on the Jhansi with 1,000 of soldiers, and both sides the 1,000 soldiers were killed. And what happened? Among them was a Jalkari. There was a Jalkari also. Never once a leaving a beloved queen side. मतलब उसने कभी भी कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ती थी अपनी queen रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को help करने. She was ever ready to face any situation or any problem, and every time she was ready to help Rani Lakshmibai, and she was a beloved queen. वो क्या करती थी? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को, she was deeply loved her queen, and British soldier was steady hand to sure aim. अब उसके ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स के एम पे कौन था? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. दे वांट टू कैप्चर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. कैसे भी करके वो क्या करना चाह रहे थे? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को कैप्चर करना चाह रहे थे. थैंक यू Cherry. And please underline the hard words territory, expanded, rumors. Shanvi, be ready now. Shanvi, Asta, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it.
The enemy fell back. They had not expected such a strong defense of the fort. The British commander telegraphed for help and more troops came rushing in. But the army of the Rani still had on.
Okay. Now enemy that fell back. They had not accepted the such strong defense of the fort. Now the British army को क्या लग रहा था कि भाई झांसी की रानी, झांसी की जो टीम है, it was very loose companion, बहुत ज्यादा क्या कहते हैं, unpowered कह सकते हो, या without any, they didn't have so much strong, but they have defended the British army and they have shocked the British army troops, and they were the back. मतलब वो क्या हो गए? पीछे हो गए. जैसे ब्रिटिश की आर्मी ने उनका फोर्स किया फेसफुली, so they have been stepped forward. Now telegraph, the British commander telegraphed for her and more troops. अब उसने ब्रिटिश आर्मी ने क्या किया कि उनको अब बहुत और ट्रूप्स, मतलब और सैनिक चाहिए थे और आर्मी चाहिए थी, और अटैक ऑन द झांसी. बट द आर्मी ऑफ रानी स्टिल हेल्ड ऑन. वो फिर और सेना आ गई, फिर भी झांसी की रानी की जो ट्रुप थी, टीम थी, जो सैनिक थे, वो फिर भी वहां पे क्या रहे? खड़े रहे. दे आर रेडी टू फाइट. रीड.
When the British found that they could make no progress, they decided to gain entry in the fort by stealth. At night, they braided a man named Dulaji
Thakur.
Thakur.
Underline this word. Dulaji Thakur, a gunner.
a gunner who was charge of the south gate of the fort.
Now, अब आपको पता है कि झांसी में अटैक कहते हैं ना, अपने you have listened to कहावत हिंदी में भी सुनी होगी, अपना लंका वो ढाई जूस क्या बोलते हैं, भेदी वाला. I'm just forgetting that. खुद का पर्सन नहीं अपने घर में चीटिंग कर लेता है. The Dulaji Thakur was a very strong person and gunner, and he having a very strong responsibility on his shoulder to save the Jhansi, but he has cheated. He has cheated the Jhansi. इसने क्या किया था? He was standing. कहाँ पे उसकी ड्यूटी रहती थी? साउथ गेट पे, साउथ गेट फोर्ट पे उसकी ड्यूटी रहती थी. और दुलारजी ठाकुर, और उसने क्या किया? ब्रिटिश आर्मी ने दे हैव ब्राइब्ड. ब्राइब्ड का मतलब होता है घूस देना, रिश्वत जिसे बोलते हैं. He has pay off. The British army has pay off to whom? दुलारजी ठाकुर. उसने अपना कहते हैं ना, अपनी ऑनेस्टी, he has sold out for that for few money. तो कुछ पैसों के लिए अपनी ईमानदारी को क्या कर दिया? बेच दिया था. किसको? टू ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को. और उसने साउथ इंडिया गेट ऑफ फोर्ट, जो चार्ज पे था, जो मेन गेट था, उस गेट के थ्रू ब्रिटिश आर्मी एंटर हो गई थी झांसी में. रीड.
In return for a large sum of money, Dulaji led them to a spot where there was a break in the wall, and the soldiers made their way into the fort through it at the dead of night. As they began to climb, Jhalkari saw them and sounded the alarm with loud cries. The Rani army took up fight, opened fire, and the attacks fell back.
Now what happened? Dularji Thakur has sailed himself. उसने क्या किया? अपने आप को बेच दिया था for few money, and he have given the two chance to British army to enter in the Jhansi from the south gate, and the झांसी की ब्रिटिश आर्मी हैज गिवन अ होल अ ब्रेक इनटू अ वॉल. उसने क्या किया, और सोल्जर्स को एक वॉल कट में छेद कर दिया बहुत बड़ा सा, और कहते हैं ना दीवार के अंदर थोड़ा रास्ता सा बना दिया, और उसके थ्रू ब्रिटिश आर्मी क्या हो गई, एंटर्ड हो गई झांसी के अंदर. बट सडनली उस समय क्या हुआ, झलकारी बाई हैव सीन देम, झलकारी बाई ने उनको देख लिया, और शी हैव मेकिंग अ नॉइज एंड गिविंग अ अलार्म टू बीइंग अ वार्निंग among the people that the British army has attacked on the Jhansi. Read. Asta, read.
During the days and nights that followed, the fighting continued. The Indian troops were full of daring. They could not withstand the British attacks. The enemy fought their wars steady until they were outside the palace. There 3 more terrible days of fighting followed.
एक मिनट, 1 minute बेटा. अभी वेरी नाइस. कहते कैमरा ऑफ है ना, वेरी गुड पर्सन. कृतिका,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Ma'am, I don't have book right now.
Huh?
I don't have book right now.
You don't have a book right now. Okay. Did you have purchased the book set?
Yes, ma'am.
Deepika Agarwal. Dhruv Yadav. Okay. I don't know the name of the student. Just a 1 minute. Partvi. Partvi Nili. Beta, your voice is coming. Yashika.
Ma'am.
Your voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Partvi.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is clear.
Okay, Yashika, wait for the New York. You will read the next. First, Partvi Nili will read. Now, what happened? Did you having a book? बुक है क्या आपके पास बेटा? Your voice is not coming to me. Yashika,
Yes, ma'am.
read it. Now, 1 minute. What happened when
Now
the
the queen's advisors begged her to go out of the fort to a safe place. You reluctant at first.
now what? 1 minute. The British army has attacked on the Jhansi, and the Jalkari Bai has seen them that they have attacked on the Jhansi, and she have given the alarm to the whole city persons of the members, and they are ready to fight. Attackers will well back. During the days of night followed, fighting a continuous between Indian troops and with a full dark, they could withstand the British attack. दोनों के बीच में British and Rani Jhansi Lakshmi के जो Indian soldiers के बीच में क्या हो रही थी? They have been fighting against each another. Enemy fought steadily, means बहुत तेजी से, until they outside the palace. There were terrible days of fighting followed. Okay? Read from the now the Queen advisor.
Now the queen's advisors begged her to go out of the fort to a safe place. Through reluctance as first, Lakshmi Bai agreed in the end. Dressed in armor and carrying a dagger and two revolvers, she rode unrecognized through the enemy lines down the hillside and out of one of the gates.
Now, 1 minute. Queen advisors. Queen advisors कौन होते? Those who are helping to the queen to give a suggestion. Begged her to go out from fort of the safe place. मतलब जो queen advisors थे, what they have given the introduction. What they have said, advice क्या कर रहे थे उनको? झांसी रानी के लिए, because British army का target कौन थी? रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, and they have to capture her by hook or by crook. उस person को रानी लक्ष्मी को capture करना चाह रहे तब पता चल गया था कि it is a main important thing, we have to save the Rani Lakshmi Bai for our country. So they have suggested, उन्होंने उनको advice दी to relieve the fort. उसने क्या कहा कि fort को छोड़ के चले जाओ. Then
Jalkari went with her for part of the way. As soon as she knew the Rani was safe,
now
Jalkari
1 minute. The requirement of first Rani Lakshmi agreed. फिर last में क्या होता? Rani Lakshmi Bai was agreed to leave the fort. और armor जो कवच होते हैं, shield होते हैं, जो उसके armor से जो भी उसके सैनिक थे, और उसमें जो झलकारी बाई was a person, she have dressed enemy lines down the hillside out of one gate. एक गेट से hillside के जो साइड था, रानी लक्ष्मी बाई को बाहर निकालते थे. किससे? झांसी के फोर्ट से. रीड करो.
Jalkari went with her for part of the way. As soon as she knew the Rani was safe, Jalkari disguised in Lakshmi Bai's clothes and riding her white horse, returned to the fortress. The British soldiers saw her and mistaking her for the Rani, as she had intended them to do, surrounded her. They led her to their commander.
Now 1 minute. And now the Jalkari Bai knew that Rani, जो उनकी रानी थी, वो she was safe. And what the Jalkari Bai have done? उसने क्या किया? उसने अपना disguise, मतलब उन्होंने Jalkari Bai ने अपने आप को dress up कर लिया. किस तरीके से? रानी लक्ष्मी बाई की तरह. और उनका जो white horse था, उस पे ride करते हुए she have returned to the back fort और न झांसी. And the British soldiers को क्या लगा by mistake that she was a Rani Lakshmi Bai, and she have intended them to surrounded her and they led their commander. अब प्लान किया रानी उसने को किस तरीके का प्लान किया, किस तरीके क्या पूरे व्यू रचना जिसे बोलते हैं, पूरा प्लान करके किस तरीके से बनाया कि ब्रिटिश आर्मी को ये धोखा हो जाए कि मैं कौन हूँ? रानी लक्ष्मी बाई. एंड दे है, अब बाकी फिर सोल्जर्स को लगा कि हाँ शी वाज अ रानी लक्ष्मी बाई मिस्टेकन, एंड दे हैव कैप्चर्ड, उन्होंने अरेस्ट कर लिया था किसको? झलकारी बाई को, एज थिंक दैट शी इज रानी लक्ष्मी बाई. रीड करो.
The commander looked at the captive closely, but he was not sure at all that she was the queen. Bring Dulaji, he ordered his soldiers.
Now
Dulaji
एक मिनट. दुलारजी will know. Now the commander look, उन्होंने उसको अरेस्ट तो कर लिया था, but वो they were not sure about that कि ये रानी लक्ष्मी बाई है भी या नहीं. तो so what they have to solve this query, they have called the Dularji Rao. Dularji ठाकुर थे ना, उनको बुलाया to confirm that she is Rani Lakshmi Bai or not. Read करो.
When Jalkari saw Dulaji, her eyes blazed with anger, and she shouted, "You traitor! You coward! You shameless betrayer of your people!"
Now, Jalkari saw the Dularji. अब झलकारी को पता चला कि वो कौन एनिमी है. कहते हैं ना अपना लंका बेरी कौन है? दुलारजी राव. तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा है. She was very angered and very shouted. उसको कहते हैं ना किसी को गुस्सा आता पता चलता है कि अपने घर के इंसान ने अपने साथ चीटिंग करी है. तो she was shouted. उसने क्या बोला? ट्रेटर, गद्दार. What is the meaning of traitor? गद्दार, जिसे बोलते हैं disloyal. You coward. Coward means क्या होता है? ना you shameless betrayer. of your people. आपने अपने खुद के लोगों के साथ क्या करी? धोखा दिया, चीटिंग करी.
The Englishman asked Dulaji, "Is this the Rani Lakshmi Bai?" "It is not," answered Dulaji. "Do you think it is so easy to capture the Rani?"
Now, 1 minute. The Englishman asked Dulaji, "Is the Rani Lakshmi Bai?" उसने कंफर्म करने के दुलाजी से पूछा कि ये कौन है, रानी लक्ष्मी बाई है या नहीं है. उसने क्या बोला? "No, she is not. Do you think it is easy to capture the Rani?" उसने बोला कि इतना आसान थोड़ी रानी लक्ष्मी बाई को कैप्चर करना. Read.
The commander was furious that
What is the meaning of furious? Furious means anger. गुस्से में.
they had been tricked. He knew that if Jhalkari was allowed to go free, she would be dangerous, so she was sentenced to death by hanging.
Sentenced to death by the hanging. Now the commander was not and furious. उसने क्या, जो commander था उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था बहुत. कहते हैं ना अपना खुद के साथ धोखा हो जाता है जब चीटिंग हो जाती है, कितना uncomfortable, अपनी frustration. He was feeling a frustrated and in anger mood. कि उसने क्या किया, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने उसको ट्रिक कर दिया, उसको धोखा दे दिया. He knew that is a अगर उसको ये भी पता था अगर झलकारी बाई को अपन फ्री छोड़ देंगे, हाँ, if we will leave the Jhalkari free, so it will be a dangerous. ये क्या होगी? Dangerous होगी, and she will tell all the truth about the Dularji and the British Army commanders. She was sentenced, or that time she was sentenced by the hanging death. अब उसे क्या कहते हैं? इसे फांसी दे दी जाए, hang to the death. Read.
I am not afraid of dying, Jhalkari answered proudly.
मतलब आप झलकारी was answered very proudly, और उससे मतलब कहते हैं ना एकदम proudly, she was feeling a very honored on herself कि I'm not afraid of dying, मैं डरने मरने से डरती नहीं हूँ. I'm very proud on myself, I'm very brave lady. Read.
As they led her to her death, she shouted out to the British, "Beware! You will never conquer us. We will rise again and again and fight back until we win our freedom."
Now, she was not afraid of dying, and she was saying, I'm not a coward person, I'm a brave lady. I'm not having any depressed or any afraid of dying. मैं मरने से डरती नहीं हूँ. She shouted on the British Army. She was in full mood in anger, and she was shouting, and she will be conquer us. आप कभी भी हम पे क्या नहीं कर पाओ? Conquer means कब्जा नहीं कर पाओ. You will never rule on us. Again and again, fight back until we win our freedom. हम जब तक लड़ते रहेंगे जब तक हमें freedom नहीं मिल जाती. Read करो.
"Silence!" they shouted, but she would not be silenced. As the rope tightened round her neck, she cried out, "Long live India! Long live Lakshmi Bai! Long live freedom!"
Now, what was happening that situation? What was the time of that? उसने जो British commanders and was what saying, just be quiet, be silent. But she was not being quiet, and she was shouted in anger and anger. गुस्से में और जोश में, having a very energetic that time. You will not. She has cried further loudly. She has said, "Long live India, long live Lakshmi Bai, and long live freedom."
Freedom.
I hope all of you have understand the lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Any query? Any query
Oh,
regarding the? Please mark the hard word: furious, traitor,
Yes,
shameless.
ma'am. Which
Page number 31. And please solve the book exercise now.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of long live freedom?
Long live freedom.
Yes, ma'am.
Freedom का मतलब, what is the meaning of freedom?
आजादी.
आजादी.
Daddy.
तो हमारी क्या, हमको आजादी. Long live freedom means we will get the freedom at a long time. आपको हमको जल्दी से जल्दी. Long मतलब क्या था? What is the meaning of long? Long time period. Live मतलब रहना. हमारी आजादी बहुत लंबे समय तक दूर नहीं है. We will get up freedom. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
all of you. A book exercise. We will solve it and Shubham will tell me the answer. Now, Shubham, it's your turn to give me the answer. Shubham, Shubham? I don't know. Shubham, unmute yourself, beta. Karnav? Karnav? मेरी voice clear है? Okay, just give me the book, solve the book exercise and give me the answer of the question number B. All of you, please pay attention on the page number 32 now. Question number 1. When the Jhalkari grew up, she was married to Dash in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai. किससे married करी? किससे शादी करी थी? Soldier. Everyone mark the answer soldier. And you can write the answer in the chat box also. Second question. British had a trading company called? कौन सी कंपनी थी? ब्रिटिश डैश ईस्ट इंडिया. Mark the answer East India. Third question. In Dash, fighting broke out all over the country. 1857. Very good.
1857.
1857.
7.
Shubham, now you are unmuted by yourself.
Teacher, madam.
Third question. Fourth question. In Dash 1858, the British troops attacked the fort of Jhansi.
March.
Huh?
March.
March. Very good.
March. मैम हमारा नाम शुभम नहीं है मैम हमारा नाम सौरभ है.
Okay, सौरभ. Sorry बेटा. कभी कभी मिस्टेक मैम से भी हो सकती है. Dularju Thakur was a dash runner. Very good. C. Done. A. First answer B का A. Second का C. Third is B. Fourth is A and fifth is C. Now, true false. Vidushi. Vidushi.
हेलो मैम वो वॉशरूम गई हुई है अभी.
तन्मय. मिष्टी.
ठीक है.
अर्णव.
Distributed as
Saurabh.
Rani Lakshmi. Yes ma'am.
Okay. True false. Jalkari returned to the fort disguised as Rani Lakshmi Bai. अपने आप को disguise अपने आप को change. True.
True.
Second, the girl fight a tiger single-handed. Its nickname is Jhalkari.
ठीक है. सही है. True.
True. Very good. Dularji betrayed Rani Lakshmi Bai and his nation. True.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, नहीं.
Fourth question. British enlist the help of Jalkari.
Ma'am, false.
False. Very good. And last question. Rani Lakshmi Bai along with Jalkari fought with the British.
True.
True. Now, anyone having a problem, you can ask me. Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
any problem?
No, ma'am.
Anyone else having a problem? Today is your homework. You will read the question, find out the question answer. All of you, please note in your diary. Note in your diary, chapter number 5. Find out the question answer. Yuvraj, I will sort out your problem. Don't worry. You will find the question answers of chapter number 5 and do hard word and word meaning in copy. Hard words find out karoge from dictionary and you will do a word meaning. Yuvraj, 1 minute. Yes, Yuvraj.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I want chapter 3rd question answer.
You want chapter number 3rd question answer?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा एक did you know the school website? आपको पता है स्कूल की वेबसाइट है अपनी, वहां पे हर चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अपलोडेड हो रहे हैं पीडीएफ में.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके और फिर भी मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर देती हूँ, डोंट वरी. जिसको भी जो भी रिटन मटेरियल चाहिए, प्लीज इफ यू नीड एनी रिटन मटेरियल ऑफ योर यू विल कैन टेक फ्रॉम योर स्कूल वेबसाइट. आपको हर सब्जेक्ट का वहाँ अवेलेबल है पीडीएफ के फॉर्म में.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम हमको इंग्लिश ग्रामर का वर्क समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
इंग्लिश ग्रामर का यू हैव टू राइट अ नोट्स इन योर कॉपी ना, जो मैंने आपको पीडीएफ शेयर कर रखी है. एंड बुक एक्सरसाइज इज आल्सो शेयर्ड इन ऑन द वेबसाइट.
Excuse me, ma'am.
अभी बता. हाँ पलक 1 मिनट, लेट मी टॉक टू द युवराज फर्स्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
युवराज, आपको एक काम ये करना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट द डेफिनेशन अबाउट द नाउन, प्रोनाउन एंड एडजेक्टिव. आपको तीनों के मैंने नोट्स लिखवाए हैं कॉपी में. डेफिनेशन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to write the example और exercise. आपको स्कूल वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल. और सबसे पहले बुक एक्सरसाइज है. अभी हैविंग अ इंग्लिश वर्कबुक.
Yes, ma'am.
तीनों वर्कबुक की एक्सरसाइजेस को सॉल्व करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
रिदम
मैम बुक में कॉपी में करना है.
नहीं, कॉपी में नहीं करना है, बुक में करना है. कॉपी में you have to write the definition and the examples.
मैम I have problem.
हाँ पलक.
मैम अभी मेरे फादर मैम कॉपी सबमिट कराने जा रहे हैं, तो मैम वो कॉपीज कब तक मिलेंगी?
बेटा एटलीस्ट कम से कम मान के चलो 2 or 3 days आफ्टर, बिकॉज यू हैव सबमिट योर कॉपी. आज एक दिन तो उसको सैनिटाइज भी करना पड़ेगा. या वी हैव टू कीप देम एट ना.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
रिदम स्कूल वेबसाइट है www.mchjaipur.com. अगर आप स्कूल का नाम भी टाइप करोगे ना, मालवीय कॉन्वेंट स्कूल, आपको वहां पे स्कूल वेबसाइट आ जाएगा लिखा हुआ. यू कैन लॉग इन और यू हैव गेटिंग अ सर्कुलर एवरी डे. और उस सर्कुलर में सब में स्कूल की वेबसाइट मेंशन हो. आपको जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, चाहे टाइम टेबल, सिलेबस, सर्कुलर्स, ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम देयर. कनेक्ट. कनेक्ट, व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम बेटा?
मैम मुझे लास्ट वाला पैराग्राफ समझ में नहीं आया.
लास्ट वाला पैराग्राफ
यस मैम.
डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. और वैसे पैराग्राफ में है ये था कि व्हेन द कमांडर दैट नो द ट्रुथ अबाउट द झलकारी बाई को पता चल गया था कि शी वाज नॉट अ रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, है ना. Then Dularji and the commander, she was, क्या सोचा उन्होंने कि she can be a dangerous for us. वो
Yes,
हमारे लिए
ma'am.
क्या हो सकती है? Dangerous. So they
Dangerous.
have decided to kill her. उन्होंने क्या decide किया कि इसको हम मार देंगे. So what they have said कि just hang to the death. उसको क्या कर दो? फांसी चढ़ा दो.
Okay, ma'am.
और after that she was not afraid. उसने क्या वो जब she was hanging to that time, she was not feeling afraid. वो क्या हो रही है? वो डरी नहीं थी and she was feeling very proud on herself. और उसको किस चीज का proud था? कि she was proud of being a very brave and helping and sacrificing her life for झांसी.
Okay, ma'am.
और उसके बाद उसके लास्ट वर्ड्स क्या थे? कि उसने उसको बोला था कि वो शोर चिल्ला रही थी, शी वाज बीइंग इन वेरी एंगर, और उसके अंदर एक अलग सी एनर्जी थी कि लॉन्ग लिव रेवोल्यूशन टाइप में ना, कि लॉन्ग लिव इंडिया की कहते हैं ना, नारे लगाते हैं अपन.
Yes, ma'am.
देखा होगा कि लॉन्ग लिव इंडिया,
Yes,
लॉन्ग
ma'am.
लिव लक्ष्मीबाई, मतलब लंबे, और लॉन्ग लिव फ्रीडम. तो उसने इस तरीके के नारे लगाते हुए, और उस चीज को क्या हुआ, कमांडर्स कैन नॉट बी, उनको समझ उठे, उसने बार बार को वार्न करे, जस्ट बी क्वाइट एंड बी क्वाइट. आफ्टर दैट टाइम शी वाज नॉट बीइंग अ क्वाइट, वो चुप नहीं हो रही थी, एंड शी वाज शाउटिंग, एंड एट द लास्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, शी वाज हैंग्ड टू द डेथ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I hope chapter is clear, problem
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear, and
Yes,
those who
ma'am.
are having a problem, we can discuss in our next class. And be ready for your
ma'am.
art and craft, because everyone know, I know that सबको art and craft ज़्यादा पसंद है, except the subjects. Okay? Bye bye. Take care and do your work.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
happy Sanjara to every